If Google Antigravity is lagging, freezing, or feeling painfully slow, stop. Don't delete or reinstall anything yet. Try this before you do anything. Antigravity interface uses your GPU to render. On certain laptops, especially with integrated graphics or older devices, your PC will struggle and you'll get that laggy UI. Luckily, we can fix that with one simple command. Alright, here's what we do. We're gonna go right click and go to Task Manager, and once we're there, inside the processes, we're gonna find the anti-gravity. And we can just go ahead and type anti-gravity in the box, and we can see there's 12 different processes running at the moment. We're gonna right click and click End Task, and it's just gonna give it a 5 to 10 seconds until all the processes are cleared out. And while we wait, we can go ahead and click our Windows key on our computer and type PowerShell and right click and run as administrator. Once you're inside the PowerShell as admin, I want you to go ahead and type in the command you see on your screen right about now. And once you're done, click enter. If you don't want to write this prompt, you can go to the pinned comment of this video to find the copy and pastable command. You're gonna hit enter, and this is gonna open up anti-gravity again. Now your experience must be vastly better. Go back to anti-gravity and give it a whirl, see if it's indeed faster and smoother. Your problem should be fixed. If that fixed it, you just saved yourself from a very annoying troubleshooting session rabbit hole. Follow GXL Tech AI for quick AI tool fixes, and let's keep building.